Hello, everyone. My name is Samantha Banham, and my game-based learning uh, lesson that I did this week focuses around combining like terms. And I was actually able to incorporate two different game-based learning opportunities for my students. So at the beginning of the lesson, students are actually going to do an entrance ticket, basically, so I can figure out what they know, what they already know, what they need to work on. And the one website that I'm using is Socrative. And Socrative is a website where students can basically do polls. And on the screen, you see the space race. Students will log into their device just like I have here, and they're going to answer different questions. And as they answer the questions, it's going to tell them if they get it wrong, what's the correct answer, what's the incorrect answer. And it's going to affect their rocket. So let me just do this. Just getting all incorrect answers at this point. And I love how this opportunity gives them the correct answer so that way they know where they went wrong. Let's see. All right, I'm on my last question. All right. So it says that you've completed the current activity. They're waiting for the next activity to begin. So students can leave this up on their computer because at the end, we're actually going to use Socrative again. So if I want to finish the activity, it's going to show me at the end what my class total is, and it's going to tell me what each kid was able to answer. So obviously I was the only one, and I answered with a 0%. So have the kiddos leave that up there because they're going to come back to it. So now we're going to dig deep into what they need to do for the lesson, and we're going to review what it takes, what they need to do to combine like terms. And once we do the review, we're going to do a little bit of a whiteboard activity, do a couple examples on the board, and then once we have those examples down, we're going to hop back onto our computers and actually use a website called GimKit to help us practice our terms. Now, as I'm recording this right now, my GimKit is not working. I guess the website is not letting me play a live game, so I was able to show what a practice game would look like. My goal is for the kids to play in the version of Among Us, which is like it's called Trust No One, but it's in the version of Among Us. So there are two traitors, and they have to work to figure out who those traitors are. But for them to be able to get points and rewards and things like that, they have to answer these problems correctly. So, for example, on this practice one, obviously, if I simplify it, I'm going to get 10x. They're going to give you, it's going to correct, and you're going to get points or energy towards the game. If I get it wrong, it's going to tell me incorrect, and it's going to give me the correct answer. And then I'll move to the next question. Same here, incorrect. It's going to give me the correct answer. So it's given the kids an opportunity to realize where they went wrong. And then let's, for example, we have correct, and then you can continue. So the students are going to be playing this game for about 20 minutes. If we need to extend the time, we can. 20 minutes was just about that time that I thought kids would not get so bored. Sometimes when I play this in my classroom, the kids are like, can we have more time? And you can add more time if you need to. So once students have finished, they're going to go back to the Socrative link, same questions and everything. We're going to restart it. So we're going to go back to reports. So to launch a new one, you want to go to your library. You want to go to live results. You're going to launch the activity. They can this stays up on their computer. You're going to do space race again, combining like terms. Next, number of teams. The icon, you can change the icon. Let's do unicorn this time. All right, and then we're going to number of teams. You can do as many teams as you want, and we're going to hit start. And the cool thing is it pops right up on their screen. So I'm going to type my name in again. and I'm going to complete the same thing. Obviously, when you have more students in the class, you're going to see that bar change. But this is and then at the end, you'll be able to see what the students were able to do, and you can compare the differences of it's like, okay, maybe we need more lessons on this. Oh no, the kids are doing really good. Maybe I can do a little bit of a review in a week or so to catch up their minds. But if they're doing so well on it, then we don't have to spend as much time. But this is my game lesson plan. I hope you enjoyed it, and I cannot wait to use it with my kids in the class.